17-0079 in Encantada, a beautiful two-story house in Bosque del Lago. This property has 4-bedroom, 3 bathrooms, living room, dining room, family, terrace, equipped laundry in the 2nd floor, pool, floors in ceramic tiles and backyard. Kitchen includes refrigerator, stove, dishwasher and extractor. Also have 6 mini-split AC, generator, water heater, shades, blinds, decorative lamps and double garage. Excellent price. Encantada is a restricted access development with hazmat security 24 hours, several swimming pools, tennis courts, gym, parks and much more. OPO great price.